Well, we're still in lockdown, so there's no travelling anywhere yet. But I'm really, really grateful that within 2.5 miles of my house, there's a castle that I can walk to. And that's where I'm going today. Fancy joining me? Welcome to Rog Vlog. First thing we're going to do is head out across the farmers' fields. We're approximately 2.5 miles in that direction. I've always had a thing about castles. Now, of course, I'm really lucky that living in Edinburgh, we've got Edinburgh Castle, great place to visit. But over the last year, I've been to Tantallon Castle. Remember that vlog I did with the tiny little harbour? In Croatia, there was Soctland Castle, and in Montenegro, there was Kotor Fortress. So today, we're heading to Faside Castle. Now, we are allowed to walk across the farmers' fields as long as we stick to the tractor tracks and we don't stand on any of the crops. But now, this is a public footpath direct to Faside Castle. And we're going to see some great scenery and some beautiful flowers and trees. Rapeseed fields up ahead. Do you know, the lockdown has given me a whole new perspective on nature. In fairness, before lockdown, I would probably have walked past the flowers and the trees without even giving them a second glance. But confined to home, and you develop a whole new appreciation for the world around you. Well, that's about 2 miles walked, and we should be getting a glimpse of Faside Castle through the trees just up ahead. So there it is, just up ahead, Faside Castle. Now actually, about that pronunciation, it's spelt F-A''side. I've always pronounced it Farside. But some people say Forside and some people say Faside. So I apologise if I've been getting it wrong all these years. Now we're actually back on these narrow country roads. Well, the views from up here down towards Edinburgh and across the Firth of Forth are absolutely stunning. So I'm going to linger here for a few moments before I start the 2.5 mile trek home. If you enjoyed this episode of Rog Vlog, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the meantime, I'll see you on the next vlog. Boy, just be